Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to accept friend request on Discord using your mobile phone. So for this you need to open up your Discord, and you can see that three line on the top left side. Tap on that, and here you can see the friend icon, and tap on that, and here you can see that pending request. So you can see this is outgoing friend request. This guy I've just sent friend request using Discord, and you can see this incoming friend request, which is the request you have got. So you need to tap on that green icon, tick mark icon, and here you can see your friend with this person. Right now you can do message, you can send message, you can just call, you can do whatever you want. So in this way you will be able to accept friend request on Discord using your Android device.